Okay guys, so this is a cook with me video. I really wasn't going to make videos like this, but a lot of people's been requesting this video. Show you guys how I cook my tacos. I'm in the middle of doing a clean with me video, so if you happen to see the house looking crazy at some point, just know that I'm doing a clean with me video, and I will have that link in the description or in one of the cards at the top of this video for you guys to check it out, because that video will more likely be up first, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, so what I'm doing now, this is a pound of beef, a pound of ground beef. I'm just browning it. That's what I'm doing now, is just browning the meat. Okay, scratch that. Do not put the stove on medium, y'all, because that makes it go slower. I don't know what I was thinking. I do not put my seasoning and stuff like that on until I drain my grease out of the meat. Now we're going to go to the strainer in the sink. I like to cut the water on a little bit so the grease doesn't stop my sink up. Let's go back to the stove. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of water. And yes, I do measure my stuff out, y'all. I got to. 3/4 cups of water. And you want to do 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And this is the taco seasoning I'm using. We love tacos around here, so I had to buy the big bulky one. And I just sprinkle it all the way around there. Just like this. Just go all the way around. Put it back on the burner. And then what you're going to do is just mix it up until it comes to a boil. So you're going to wait till it comes to a boil. And then you're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. Basically all I do, this might be bland to some people, but this is simply what I do. And there it is boiling. So I turn it down. So yeah, once again, this is very simple tacos. Brown your meat. This is a pound of meat. You brown your meat. Drain it, put it back in, put on your seasoning and water, put it back on the burner and let it come to a boil. Then once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And just stir it occasionally. And that'll be pretty much it. So what I'm doing now is packing Jonathan's lunch, and I give him about maybe 2 or 3 of these. I can never pronounce tortillas or whatever. So for us to keep some here for us to eat with, and I pack him 2 or 3 in this baggie here. So that's what I'm about to do. All right, so I take it, like I said, and put it in another baggie for him to have. Just like that. Seal that up. Then the next thing I do is take this divider container. So I can divide up his cheese and meat. Probably put the cheese there in the smaller one and the meat in the bigger one. Then I take this taco blend cheese from Great Value. Got this from Walmart. I'll just pour a little bit. Close that up, and that's his lunch. He doesn't have a lunch bag, so I have to use like a Bose bag, like a grocery bag. So I put that in there. And then I put his flatbread in there, whatever you call it, tortillas. Put that in there. And then the last thing I do, because he loves ranch on his tacos just like I do, I got this container. It's a squishy container. I think it's so cute. I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1. Just put the whatever you want, like on any kind of dressing or whatever, you can put it in there. And then just close it up like that and just open it. It has a little hole. And you just squeeze it. Just put it in there for them. And that's it. That's his lunch. Okay, y'all, so that is how I make tacos. I will post a picture of what a taco looks like and all that good stuff. I didn't get to show you guys because I just packed Jonathan's lunch because it's time to go. Yeah, that is how y'all make tacos. And as y'all can see, this is what it means to be cooking over a hot stove. I am sweating, honey. But it's probably because I liked it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell, and if you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up. Disregard that in the back. I told y'all guys I was doing a cleaning video. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later.